Hello and good morning, afternoon and evening to everyone, depending on when you are watching this video. In this video, I will show you how to log in and use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot developed by OpenAI. Let me go to the computer for the demo. Open a Google in your browser and type here ChatGPT. And here you will see the link https://openai.com. So let me click here. And now I am homepage of OpenAI ChatGPT. Here you will find a button, Try ChatGPT. Just click the button. If you are a first-time user, you have to sign up. Click on sign up button. It will ask you your email ID, password, your name, etc. and keep typing email and say continue. Or otherwise you have to, if you have a Gmail account, you have to directly click here. Okay, if you have a Microsoft account, you have to click here, continue with Microsoft account. So I have already signed in. So I will click on login. And I will say continue with my Gmail account. And I will select my email address. And now I am logged in to ChatGPT. So this is the home page for ChatGPT, or you can directly type in your browser https chat.openai.com/chat. So these are the some example like explain quantum computing. These are the some sample example. How do I make an HTTPS request in JavaScript? And these are the capability. Remember what user said earlier. Allow user to provide follow-up, correction, etc. These are the limitation. May occasionally generate incorrect information, or the limitation or the knowledge of ChatGPT is up to date up to 2021. Here you will see some option dark mode. If you click, so this is in the dark mode. And other one is OpenAI Discover. So this is the basically a feedback. If you want to provide us some feedback, you have to go to the OpenAI Discover and sign in and provide your feedback. These are the updates and FAQ, and this is logout. So now let me ask us some question. From here you can ask a question. So I'll say write a complaint later about bad car servicing. So it is writing a letter about bad car servicing. So here you can see all the detail, your name, your address, service center address, zip state, and now it is writing a code. Sorry, it is writing a letter. So here you can see your name, address, service center name, address, zip code, state, etc. And now here you can mention the service center name, and now it is writing a letter. And here your name again. So now let me ask one more question. Tell me about Microsoft Office in 2 lines. Here I mentioned only you can tell me about Microsoft Office in 2 lines. So let's see. So it is giving me about Microsoft in 2 lines. Let me ask some mathematical questions like 10 US plus 20 So here the sum of 10 plus 20, 10 and 20 is 30. If you want to regenerate this information, if you are not satisfied with the answer or the way the answer has given, so just click on the regenerate. So now it is regenerated. The result is 10 plus 20 is 30. Let me regenerate again. Let me regenerate one more time. So now you can see here 10 plus 20 equal to 30. For example, if I will say, tell me about YouTube. So this is generating information about YouTube. And for example, if you want to stop in somewhere, you have to just click on stop generating. So let me click here. So it will stop generating, and if I will click on regenerate, it will start regenerating again. That's all for this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.